Hi everyone, today I'm going to solve this problem and we need to evaluate expression. The expression is 40 divided by 5 plus 9 multiplied by 2. So in order to solve this problem, we need to know a rule which is called PEMDAS rule. In PEMDAS rule, P represents the parentheses. This means parentheses has the higher order than any other operation. Then E represents the exponent and MD represents the multiplication and division. Both have the same order, but if we move from left to right, the operation which appear first has the higher order. Similarly, we have AS, which is addition and subtraction. So now I'm going to solve the problem. First of all, I'm going to solve the parentheses, and in parentheses I'm going to do the division. So when I do the division, 40 divided by 5, it will be 8. Similarly, when I substitute the value, I will get 8 plus 9 multiplied by 2. Now I'm going to solve the parenthesis addition operation. When I solve that, 8 plus 9 is 17. So I will substitute the value of 17 in the given expression. So I will get 17 multiplied by 2. When I do the multiplication operation, I will get 34. This is our final answer. If you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question related to this rule, please write that question in the comment. I will give you the answer of that question. Thank you.